Hello, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are coming to advance and then use the tools. So we are going to learn how to draw shape and also other tools, how to use other tools. So like I told you all in our first lesson, you got to know that these are tools that we'll be using. The one on the left side, these are tools that I'll be using. So um, make um, I like to make my tools like this. You see the top corner here, you have some double arrow here, just click on it. And all your tools will not align like this, but then to be short like this. I like to do it like that. So please come to your right and then you see this side. It's very important. They are called the layer section. Let me enlarge it for you to see. The layers. These are where you see your layers. And the arrangement of the layers here will have effect on your workspace. Okay. And this one too, the first tool is the move tool. So is the move tool. So if you put your cursor on it, it will show you. The first tool is what? The move tool. Okay. So if you see move, you know it. So in our first lesson, if you paid attention, you know that you know the function of the move tool. All right. So we want to draw a shape. Okay. So if you look at the tools, you can see a rectangle tool. At times, to the shape is different. So you right click on it and then the various shapes will come. So I'm using Photoshop 2024. 2024. So maybe if you are using other versions of Photoshop, your options might be different, but then it will be similar. So we have the ellipse, we have triangle, polygon, line, custom shape, the rectangle. So I'm choosing the rectangle. So when you choose it and you bring it to your workspace, you see the cursor will change to plus, as you can see. So you hold and drag and it will draw like this. Good. So you can see that my edges, as you can see, my edges are curved. Okay, so if you look at this side, you can change the property here. So you change it to 0 and your edges will be flat like that. And your edges will be flat like that. Okay, so for beginners, when you draw it, the default color will come. For my own, because I've been using it, I've made changes on it. So by the beginner, the default color will come. So this is shape. So maybe the shape is not at the position I want it to be. Okay, so I'll just select on the move tool like this. Then come and click on the shape here. So I'll hold and drag to anywhere that I want. I'll hold and drag to anywhere that I want. So if I want to, I'll just hold and drag and then leave it. Okay, good. So if you come to layer side, you can see that the shape is on top of the background. I didn't unlock my background because I don't want to change the color of it. I'm not going to make changes to my background. Okay, so this is how we draw a shape. So since we've learned how to draw a shape, let's learn how to change the color. I use a shortcut whilst I was doing it. If you paid attention, you will know. But then let's go to the right process or the easiest process for you to understand. So you see the background, when you're changing the background, we came to FX, okay, to change it. The same process we use to change the color of the shape. But make sure that you have selected the layer you want to change. So you see, when I select background, you can see that I've not selected this one. The background is what I've selected. If you make changes, it will affect the background, not the layer. So make sure you have selected your layer you want to change. So here I want to change the what shape. So I come to my FX, choose my color overlay. You see, choose my color overlay. So I just select the box here. The next pop-up will come. Then I'll just select the color that I wanted the shade. Okay, I'll press OK. I'll press OK again. And now I have the color that I want. Okay, this one is just easy. Okay, so this ends our lesson on drawing a shape and also changing the color and also adjusting the shape or moving the shape. Okay, see you in our next lesson. Bye bye.